Flatheads, Flathead Jerry here. Beautiful summer day today. Let's take the coop out to a car show and have you ride along with us. Thanks.
This particular car show is in a park that I used to hang around when I was a kid back in the 60s, so I'm excited to go there and have a good time. Almost there.
Hey, great. How you guys doing?
Good.
Hey, it's not snowing, so
It's not raining.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Oh, I owe you money.
Nice little breeze, yeah.
$15 American.
Thank you. Oh, so now I go in there and I do the paperwork on my register or something, really? Oh, of course. So looking for it, got it. Morning.
Morning. Hey, great. How you doing? Excellent. Great day. It's gonna be wonderful. Plymouth 37, all original. Original paint, original everything. Oh, probably down, let's see. I've been a couple of places. Yeah, original 201 Cuber. Yeah. Well, it's got 4 gallons of coolant in it, so.
I got a 37 Plymouth coupe over there.
Really?
All original.
Really?
Pulled it out of a barn last year.
Okay, I'll find you.
Okay.
I don't know where we're going. Follow Mr. Red Flag. Thanks. All right, sure thing. Thanks. A little bit because I can't see. You okay? Got it. How's that? I'm gonna have enough room then. Have them open their doors there. Is that looking straight back? Yeah. All right. That's good. Whew. Oh, we made it. That's right.
I seen your channel as soon as I seen that back there.
Really? Outstanding.
Somehow I ran across it. It was just when I got that car and started working on it.
Oh,
So-
really? Outstanding. Here, let me grab my camera.
After I met up with Tim He showed me his car. Here's his 36. Pulled that out of a barn in Wisconsin. Did a great job of getting it back together, getting it running again. Here's the interior, really nice shape. The exterior here, you can see that the original patina is there. He used linseed oil to kind of protect it, maybe kind of work that rust a little bit. Looks wonderful, looks great. Inside, I've always liked the big dials on the 36s. Look at that, that's really nice. Looks great. He also has the optional fan up there. That's a rare option. And over here, he actually took the head off, did a valve job on it, did a little bit of carburetor work, I believe. And then here's some more information he has down here. Just here's a picture of it, of course, in the barn, in its condition. Had to put some new glass in it. Pretty dusty, but yet complete. Here's some other pictures. Yeah, rough but complete. And then he's got some other treasures over here. I thought these were just wonderful. Look at this stuff. He's got a lot of good information about the original owner. This is in his family. Years and years ago, he bought it new back in the late 30s, early 30s. Here you go. Here's some more pictures of him getting it on the trailer, inside the engine, his cousin, and some other cool documentation. Just a really nice display. Great car. Real nice job he did on this to get it back on the road again. Wonderful to see another flathead. Here's Tim's car in action. Runs and looks great. Really nice meeting him. Great to see a subscriber come and chase me down. And back to the show. First up, Mopars. And thanks for watching Flathead Terry.